So this is what a depreciation is. The same is given over here. Predict the residual value, that is the salvage value. Predict the length of the useful life, that is we have just now predicted 3 years, for example, for this laptop, and allocate the cost of the years for the useful life. Nothing else. Okay. Now what is dividend? Dividend is a part of profit which has been distributed to the stakeholders. So who are stakeholders? Who have participated in the business. Okay. Cash dividends are distribution of assets that liquidate a portion of ownership claim. Means, you remember what we have done. We have added these 20,000 in equities. We have sold goods worth rupees 1 lakh for 1,20,000, and we have added that 20,000 in equities. इमेजिन कीजिए वहां 2 पार्टनर होते तो क्या होता, 10-10 जाता, 3 पार्टनर होते 4 होते 5-5 हजार जाता, ऐसा ही होता। 10 पार्टनर होते तो 2-2 हजार जाता। तो ये क्या सोल प्रोप्राइटर से पार्टनरशिप क्यों बनता है? Why a person goes for a partnership? Why a person further goes for a company? And what is company? We will be discussing in the next slides. This is all about retained income. Retained income is a portion of that income which is not being distributed as a profit. Okay, it is retained by the business concern for future. So this is what the income statement. Sales minus cost of goods sold, you get the profit, and from this gross profit you reduce operating expenses such as rent and wages, you get net income. And this net income, what you will do, you will add in the capital and you will get the closing capital. Is this point very clear to you? See, retained incomes for the current year, the total, and less dividends. So retained income for the current year will come. The previous for the retained income for the previous year. Okay, the adjustments we have done, and you will get retained income for the current year. This is what the balance sheet is. On the asset side, whatever cash you are having, accounts receivable, inventory, rents repaid. You remember those entries? Prepaid rent for 1 year, 1 month and all. This is the liability. 600 accrued wages payable, and whatever be the liability. For example, we have not paid something to the workers, that will be accrued or outstanding wages. As we have created advance now, we have paid some advance to someone. That is a asset for us. In the same way, if some person has done some work for us and we have not paid him, that is a liability. So it will come on the liability side. Now, there are 3 things: sole proprietorship, partnership, and company. What is sole proprietorship? Partnership?
More than one. More than one.
Why a person will go for a partnership?
To reduce the losses.
No.
More capital investment.
More capital.
One by one.
More capital investment.
Of course, yes, very good.
More balance problem.
And enlarge the business. Yes. So, enhancement of the business, enlarging the business, because a person is not able to deal with the business is growing large, and a person is required. अब किस person के ऊपर believe करें? So it's better to take a partner, so that he will also invest. Okay. What is company?
Group of partners.
You know, one thing, there is a limitation of a partnership. You cannot have a partnership for more than 20 persons. More than 20 persons, you cannot have a partnership for a normal business, but for a banking business, this number is reduced to 10. Banking business means you are having a business of borrowing money from public and lending money to the public. You are borrowing money from the public, those who are having surplus funds, you are borrowing from them and you are lending to the public. This is called banking business. So for the banking business, the partnership firm may not consist of more than 10 partners. But in case of other businesses, it is 20. Now what will happen if it increases to 21 or 11, as the case may be? It will become illegal association. But as soon as it becomes illegal association, within 6 months of that particular association should be converted into company. What a company is? Have you seen Mangal Pandey? Okay, just have a look on a scene of Mangal Pandey.
Speakers.
गौरी साहब एक बात पूछूं?
Volume, sir.
ये कंपनी क्या चीज है? क्यों पूछ रहा है? मैं जानना चाहता हूँ। कंपनी एक अजीब हस्ती होती है, उसके सिर्फ एक मकसद होता है, फायदा। और ये करती क्या है? ये बात खरीदना होगा।